Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you TikTok live option not showing up. Firstly, you need to open your TikTok app. Normally, you can watch videos, post on it. TikTok has the options to go live and record the live video yourself so that your followers can watch it. So if I tap on plus icon at the center of the screen, here you can see there is no any live option. Next to the record there will be little live option, but I don't have it. Tap on your profile. The reason is you can see my followers. So the reason why live option is not showing up that you need 1000 followers soon. As you get 1000 followers, you will just pop up and able to go live. And another thing is you need to be 16 years old or older. In order to have TikTok account, you only need to be 13 years, but to access to live, you need to be 16 years or above. So this is the reason why TikTok live option is not showing up. Thank you for watching.